it's Stephanie with Coco and Ellie Boutique Crafting Page. It's a metal carrot wreath form is what they called it from Dollar Tree. We're gonna make a bow to put on this. I want this to be a big loopy bow, and that's what I'm showing y'all how to make, a big loopy bow. Most of my ribbons are wired, but a couple of them are not. I looped it how I want my loops to be. And then I'm going to stretch it out for how long I want my tails to be. And then I'm cutting it. Because y'all know I don't measure anything. Once you get all your ribbon cut, you're just going to pick it up, make sure you got it facing the right way, and do your loop in your hand. Y'all see I'm just putting all my loops together and kind of shaping it as I go. So y'all see how I have all that together? And now I'm just taking a pipe cleaner and twisting it around here. Get it as tight as you can. So see how I did that? I'm just going to attach it to the wreath form. Alright, so once you get your bow on there and get it shaped the way you want it, then go and dovetail all your ends on your ribbon. And that's where you just fold it in half, the finished edges away from you, and cut towards the finished edges. So I'm just using this greenery from Dollar Tree. They just call it foliage. So I'm just going to take and put some glue on the bottom part of the stem. And then just kind of stick it under my bow. Look, isn't that cute? Little Dollar Tree carrot.